All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're taking a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Bam Bam has a Mini. Mini has a bad clutch along with flywheel, so pretty expensive repair. In case you're wondering why the axles are like that, they are seized in the hub, so that was how he got them out. As you can see, lots of carnage from taking the transmission out. All right, I have, excuse the messy trays, I was filming another video. I've got a Jeep Liberty with a bad alternator. It's also getting a belt and tensioner. And as you can tell by the lights, I was filming a video on this one. I didn't do a diagnostic video. Nothing real major. It needs a purge valve. I did shoot a quick tip video on evap testing, so look for that. Zach has this Tahoe getting rear really expensive shocks, and he's waiting for the airline kit to come in because one of the lines got damaged. Zach also has this Mustang getting a clutch, rear main seal, rear brakes, and a transmission. Transmission has a problem with second gear, so it's getting a new transmission. They're pretty cheap. Josh has this Prius. It is getting front brakes, a cabin air filter, and an oil change. Daniel totaled out an Element today. Guy hit a something and broke a bunch of stuff on his front suspension, so they're totaling it out. Jesse has AC repairs on this Volvo. Compressor decided to die and getting a condenser as well. Cole has this lovely POS. It is back for a AC complaint. She was warned it probably has an evap core that is leaking because no dye is coming out externally, and it's back again, so wah, wah, wah. Cole got a new to him roll cart from the Mac dealer. He gave him a good deal on it, so he went ahead and got it. So upgrade from the Husky. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like this video? Well, go watch something else. Duh. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.